So I'm on the third day of the Ultimate 48-hour author retreat, and it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. I've been wanting to write this book for, I couldn't tell you how many years, 5, 10, maybe my whole life. I went to an intro session which totally lit a fire in my belly and signed up to do this retreat. And it has been surprisingly challenging internally because I've felt really conflicted about speaking my truth of my own story versus also building the business that's incredible that we have. And the support that I've had, not just in the sessions with all the practicalities and the tools and how to write the book and what to think of, that's been amazing. But also the support to really back myself and be true to myself and get clear has completely changed things for me, especially today. And I'm really grateful to everyone who has participated in this journey to help me.